I'm not hearing anything.
A financial entity that can make your dream a reality. Central CCCUL. Central CCCUL. If it's first time you're building, come and check the rates that we offering. Central CCCUL. All at Central CCCUL. If you're looking for rush money, new ATM technology, get your children right back to school. Central CCCUL. Come to Central CCCUL. So get on the train, so much again with Central. Get rid of the strife, better your life with Central. Central, Central, Central.
Good morning, listeners of Central Credit Union, followers of our Facebook page and YouTube channel. We are here to have a small chit-chat with the General Manager of the Central Credit Union. Good morning, Ms. Cleo Watt, the General Manager of Central Credit Union. How are you? And welcome to Central's first of many chit-chats. How are you this morning?
Good morning, Mrs. Reed. I'm so happy and elated to be here with you this morning to talk of what's happening at Central and to engage with our members as usual. So thank you for having me here as your first guest, I guess, in your chit-chat series that we extend. We intend to continue to inform our members of what's happening at Central. Thank you.
You're most welcome. And now we'll take a short break and look at why Central is online.
Central is online.
What? Central is online?
Granny, Central is online.
Central is online.
Central Online, your digital member experience. Stay on top of your finances with Central Online today. View your account balances, pay your bills, apply for loans, do money transfer with Central Online today.
Central is online.
Central is online, that's great.
Central is online.
Central Co-operative Credit Union Limited is online. Central is in fact online. So Ms. Watts, we have so many questions for you this morning, but we're going to begin by asking you, we know it's Credit Union Week. So we know we must talk about what Central has happening as Credit Union Week. So why do so many members, so many people in Dominica choose to do business with the credit union?
That's a very interesting question, Mrs. Reed. I think it speaks to particularly the corporate model. The corporate model is unique. So a lot of credit unions, particularly we exist for members. And we have this, what we call this people first philosophy. And what really does, it drives our employees and it really drives us as in financial institutions, financial cooperatives to get involved in our community and to support the worldwide, to support our members. You know that the services that we offer and the profit that we are not for-profit institutions, so credit unions are not for profit. And particularly we are owned by our members. And more importantly, the members have a say in how their credit union is run. And because of that, now they have the ability to vote at every annual general meeting on the credit union policies, and they have an opportunity to participate in decisions. So I think the corporate model speaks to the financial institution as a credit union, particularly being member-centric, member-focused, and all our product offerings and our services are particularly suited to the peculiar needs of our members. So our members love that. They love the hands-on, they love the personalized approach to what we call our member service. And I think the members particularly know their credit union, and the staff and employees know their members. So we have this relationship that is unique to the corporate model. I don't think every other institution provides that personalized, hands-on approach to doing business. So that's why many members come to do business with credit unions, and many members come to us at Central, because we do offer that personalized service, that impeccable service. Our members know us and we know our members, and we are able to afford that, that service to them. So particularly, that's why I do business with Central and I do business with the credit unions. And I think we stand beyond every other institution as one of the unique institutions in Dominica. It's for the ordinary person. It's it's persons of modest means to persons of non-modest means. So we all inclusive, and we offer a service that is unique, personalized, and I think our members enjoy that personalized approach to it.
Yes, members speak highly of the customer service, the member service that they receive at Central Credit Union, considering how the members are very important to the credit union movement and to Central. This is very important. Since 1948, International Credit Union Day has been celebrated annually on the third Thursday of October. What does International Credit Union Day mean to Central Cooperative Credit Union and the team?
Yes. International Credit Union Day was celebrated since 1948. Basically, what is a day set aside by International? And what we want to do as a movement is to celebrate the spirit of what we call the global credit union movement. And that day is recognized to reflect upon the credit union's movement's history. We promote its achievements, we recognize the hard work, and we share in our members' experiences. The ultimate goal really is to raise awareness about the tremendous work that credit unions and other financial cooperatives in particular are doing around the world. And it gives members the opportunity to get more engaged. On October 21st, which is Thursday this year, 2021, our global credit union family will join together to celebrate, interestingly, a long legacy, 73rd anniversary of International Credit Union Day. The theme for this year is building financial health for a brighter tomorrow. And it speaks about how the COVID-19 pandemic continues to challenge the financial well-being of credit union members around the globe. And it also how credit unions are responding to that challenge by working with those members to help them rebuild their livelihoods. And Central is particularly, our goal has been providing our members with their social and economic well-being. And so this theme speaks aptly to our mission as a financial institution. And due to that type of commitment to our members and communities across the world, we have a global credit union movement that is now, Lorraine, more than 291 million members strong, and that's international, and they are served by more than 86,000 credit unions in 118 countries. So you see this global credit union movement in Dominica as well. We have 6 main credit unions, but we are large and we are making such an impact in regionally and also in Dominica as well. And over the years, Central has contributed significantly, as I said, to that building that financial health to our members and the communities we serve. We have invested in our community, in health. We have invested in education, culture, the creative industries, among others. And for us, member education is key. And so we continue to engage our members on how to better manage their finances. You know, we just recently, as a financial cooperative, provided scholarships to students who are deserving in terms of their scholastic achievement, in terms of their merit, and also we're also providing scholarships for persons in terms of their need and their financial status. So we have demonstrated and lived up to building that financial health for a brighter tomorrow. So Central is very happy about this Credit Union Week of activities. We have quite a few activities that we have geared up for this week, which speaks and which emphasizes the global impact that we are having, as well as part of being that global community, and Central being one of the premier financial institutions in Dominica where we continue to provide that service. So we are elated at Central. All our staff and our members, let me take the opportunity to shout out to my management and staff. And as we collectively, collaboratively work together, and particularly this week, to celebrate what is ours and to celebrate all the achievements that we have done at Central as a financial institution. Since Central is only 14 years since our formation, we were formerly the St. Alphonsus Cooperative Credit Union and the Portsmouth Cooperative Credit Union. So we amalgamated in 2007, and now we are Central and we are going strong. And you should expect better and bigger things from Central. Thank you.
Okay, so Central is prominent in Dominica, from which we see financially Central is present. And Central, after the short break, you tell us all the activities that Central has planned for Credit Union Week.
Yes.
Welcome to Central Online, your digital member experience. Go to online.myccccul.com. To log in, enter login ID and password. Click I am not a robot and log in. To transfer funds within your account, click Transfer Fund. To transfer to another member, click Member to Member Transfer. To pay a bill, click Bill Payment. To apply for loans, click Loan Application. Need more information? Click the FAQs link or call 235-2228 or 235-5208 or email us online@myccccul.com.
CCCUL is in fact online.
Indeed.
Okay, so tell the viewers more about the Credit Union Week of activities, and then later on we're going to speak about that Central Online.
Yes, certainly. Thank you, Mrs. Reid. The Week of Activities is about highlighting the work of Central. We recognizing our members and particularly showing appreciation to our staff and members, particularly those directly in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. At Central, giving back to the institutions who share in our values of helping people and improving the social well-being of the lives of those they serve. So we are giving back. We are a financial cooperative. That's our mantra. And Credit Union Week of Activities in particular, we're going to do what we exist and why we exist. Today we call Movement Monday, and we earlier had representatives, well, Mrs. Reid spoke eloquently on Q95 earlier on the activities of Central and some of the activities that we have planned for this week. So Movement Monday is about engaging in the community, engaging with our members through live radio programs, radio stations. Right now, that's why we're having the Chit-Chats, and I'm happy to be here again. And we also have staff who will also be on the other radio stations this morning. On Tuesday, we call the Tuesday, October 19th, 2021, we call it Healthy Tuesday. And we know everybody knows health is important, especially in this unprecedented COVID-19. So we call it Healthy Tuesday. And Ms. Stout, our senior accountant, will join our financial information partners to assist members with learning more about personal financial management discussion. And that will be live on Q95, on Voice Vibes Radio, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. And also Central, through our mandate, we are also partnering with the financial information partners to bring education to our members, which is one of the key corporate principles of the institution. We'll also recognizing our healthcare workers who are also members who work tirelessly during the COVID-19 pandemic. What we're asking you, our valued members, if you know of anyone who fits the criteria, we're asking you to send us a post, a name of a healthcare worker, and what you think the reason why this person should be recognized by Central. We know the COVID-19 is not difficult. We have persons who are at the front line who's also risking their lives to save us. It could be a janitor, it could be a cleaner, it could be a doctor, it could be a nurse, it could be a community worker, anybody who's directly involved in the healthcare field who's fighting against this COVID pandemic will be recognized. And the recognition of these hardworking healthcare workers will be done on Friday, October 29th, 2021, as we celebrate Bon Journée Carol. But importantly, we want you from tomorrow to submit to us via our platforms, a picture of the individual and a short description of why you think that we should recognize that person. And the person and then that person will be recognized as part of the Central family. On that same Tuesday, we will have a general health talk via our Facebook and our YouTube channels. And you can follow us on our Facebook page, and that will be joined by, and the discussion will be held by Dr. Diane Robinson Amor and Dr. Gilda Nesty Tong, who will be enlighten us on some of the key health issues, diabetes, how to keep fit, women issues, men issues, general discussion on our health and importance of keeping a healthy diet and being healthy, particularly at this time. Okay, so we call it Healthy Tuesday. And on Wednesday, we call it Give Back Wednesday. And more or less, it's more of an interaction with our members via Central or Facebook page where members can win cool prizes. So it's a day where we give back, we interact with our members. We recognize you, little trivia questions and all those different aspects of it. And also, we will also be donating hampers to the Home for the Aged in Portsmouth and the Grotto Home in Roseau. Again, we want to we recognize the efforts of this institution in making the lives and contributing to the socioeconomic lives of the persons who live with them and persons under their care. So again, we want to show appreciation by recognizing these two institutions as well. And also, in particular, we also want to recognize the efforts of other institutions who have assisted us over the years. In particular, last year, I know we gave a sizable donation to the Dominica Cancer Society. And as we know, this October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and I'm wearing pink to that effect. And we want to thank the different institutions, especially Cancer Society, for their efforts and continue the fight against breast cancer and all other kinds of cancer. So we salute you. And again, we continue to give any contribution that we can at this point. So we call it Wednesday, Give Back Wednesday. And we'll be giving a donation to the Home for the Aged, I said, in Portsmouth, and the Grotto Home in Roseau this year. And also we'll be making a donation to the Portsmouth COVID Center as they continue to assist with the COVID fight. Thursday, October 21st, 2021, International Credit Union Day. We call that Staff Thursday. So we want all staff, I know over the last couple of months, we have been working tirelessly on some of our key strategic initiatives, particularly our Invest, our launching of our Central Online, hosting of our AGM, and all those different key strategic initiatives that we have been working on. So we call it Staff Thursday, where we want our staff to, relax, rest, and do some, I call it I'm going to do some self-introspection for that day where we can, see what the credit union has done, what is my role as a credit union employee, what contribution have I done over the last couple of years, and how Central, going forward, remains relevant to our members and also the financial institution as well, financial landscape. Also, we're going to tune in to Finance Focus Facebook page, where Mrs. Reed, along with our partners, the financial information partners, speak to the public about personal financial management. So Staff Thursday, we will be the branch, both our branches will be closed on that day. So I would like to inform our members that on Thursday, October 21st, 2021, our both branches at Portsmouth and Goodwill will be closed on that day. And we resume operations on Friday, October 22nd. Okay, so it's a day for us to rest and relax. And on Friday, last day of the week, October 22nd, we call it Member Appreciation Day. What a better day to show our appreciation and gratitude to our valued members who have stuck with Central over the years. We have gone through Maria, we have gone through this COVID-19 pandemic, we have gone through Erica, and you have stuck with us, and we are very happy for your values contribution. And thank you in particular for making Central your financial institution of choice. So on Friday, October 22nd, we will be doing Member Appreciation Day. And it will be a bit different this year. We know the COVID-19 has made gatherings a bit difficult. We have to maintain the social distancing, which is one of the key mitigating factors for us staying safe. So, but besides that, we will still recognize our members on that day. And we'll be giving giveaway to our members on that day. If you do a transaction on that day at any of our branches, there's an opportunity for you to win awesome prizes. And also we know Friday is Creole Day, dress in your Creole Day, I call it. So if you're a fan of Creole, you can share on our Facebook page a picture of yourself and to show our national recognition. And if you persons with the most likes, loves, and comments will be the winner, and Central will recognize you on that day. So Lorraine, is a handful, it's a lot that's happening this week. And I know as we go day by day, Mrs. Reed, our marketing officer, will highlight to you via our Facebook page some of the activities that we'll be having each day of the week. So please tune in to our Facebook page and you will follow through all this week's activities. A lot's happening, you know, Central, we don't do anything small, we do things big. And I'm very happy to offer you some of these key activities for our members and our valued members and our potential members who want to come on board and join the Central family. Yes. So Lauren, it's a lot, but we are happy to serve our members, and I know you will keep us informed for the week as we go ahead. Okay.
Yes, it is. What Central, it's Credit Union Week. Members look forward to Credit Union Week, so Central had to do some. We could not say pandemic and relax. We had to do something big for the members.
Yes, certainly.
We had to do something big for the members. So right now we take a short break and we'll continue to speak about why Central is online.
Yes.
Central is online.
Central is online.
What? Central's online?
Granny, Central is online.
Central is online.
Central Online, your digital member experience. Stay on top of your finances with Central Online today. View your account balances, pay your bills, apply for loans, do money transfer with Central Online today.
Central is online.
Central is online. That's great.
Central is online.
Central Co-operative Credit Union Limited is online.
Central is online. Tell us more about that.
Yes, Central is online, your digital member experience. Our members have been asking, and we have delivered. Finally, we have delivered. I know it's long and waiting, and we have delivered our Central Online platform. And this platform, we are saying that it is your digital member experience, and what we want our members to recognize that the COVID-19 has made it difficult for us to do business on a day-to-day basis, and there's also the need to be safe in doing your transactions on a daily basis. And the board and management, we thought at this point it is critical that our members are safe when doing business with us. And then we fast-tracked the need for our digital presence, particularly, digital online is the way to go now, and Central Online is key to that. So our members can stay at the convenience of their home, on the go, at the convenience of their offices, and they can do business with us. So it's an easy, safe, convenient, and hassle-free way to do business with us. So we ask you to come on and sign on to our platform. The platform, the registration is easy to say. You are easy to sign on. You can sign on by our web page, and also you can come into the branch physically to have your applications completed. So what does Central Online do? What services do we offer? So you can, first you can check your account balances, you can transfer funds from one member to another, you can importantly pay your bills online, you can check your account balances, as I said, your activity over a particular period. You can do your loan applications online. So you could, if you want to start an application process, you can start it online. And that feature is available to us. And also you can request your manager's checks. And also you can also check your members' activity, which is important because most persons want to know what my balance is and how I can transfer funds from one member to another. So as I said, it's easy, it's safe, it's hassle-free. And we have our online member representatives who are available to provide the assistance to you. So whether you're in Portsmouth community or whether you're in Goodwill, our branches, you can visit any of our branches and you will get the needed service and information that is available to assist you with our central online service. So I'm happy about the central online. I know most persons are not really technologically savvy, or some persons not somebody's averse to technology, but digitization is the way to go. This is something that is here and it is going to be with us for a long time. So we ask our members, if you're not too familiar or comfortable with the online platform, you can come talk to us. As I said, our online representatives are available. You can contact any member of our staff and they can walk you through the platform and make it easy for you. So whether you're older persons or whether you're young persons, the millennials, I know you are very technologically savvy, so the platform is available for you. And please, we are trying to provide you with many opportunities for doing business with us. The financial landscape is very competitive, and we know that at Central, we provide you with impeccable member service, and Central Online Platform is just one of the avenues to provide that convenient, hassle-free, and convenient and safe way of doing business with us. On the go, 24/7, 7 days a week, 24 hours, 7 days a week, every day at the convenience of your home, on the go, or at your work of place, your work at your work office. So Lorraine, we have done a lot of work. I want to thank the IT team, the management team, the marketing team particularly, and the staff for their dedication and collaboration over all those months of trying to get this platform up and running. And today it's a reality. I want to thank the board in particular for providing us with the necessary resources and the management for getting the Central Online Platform. So Mrs. Reed and the marketing team, there'll be more information about our Central Online on our webpage and on our Facebook page. So please sign up. Our uptake has been very high. We are very elated to see the number of persons who have signed up and who continue to call us every day to find out, how do I get on? What do I need to do? What do I need to sign? So that's easy. You sign up with an application form. There's also an agreement that has to be signed, and also there's an indemnity form that has to be signed. And you work with your proof of ID, which is one of the requirements, and also a proof of identification. What you have noticed also is that a lot of persons are signing on to the Central Online Platform and their accounts are not updated. We ask our members to be patient with us. As part of our KYC procedures, we are required to have your accounts updated. So if your accounts are not updated, we will also use the opportunity to update your accounts, and the online member representatives will contact you individually. I know everybody's case is different. So we engage our members on a case-by-case basis, and we engage with our members both on island and those overseas. I know a lot of overseas members are asking a lot about the Central Online service. It makes it easy for them to do business with us and to also transact and to provide monetary funds to their families. So those overseas and those in-house can contact us by our various platforms, and we'll be willing and able to provide you with that information. So Lorraine, I'm excited. There's so much happening at Central. I think this chit-chat is going to go on for quite a bit, but I just want to tell our members, please take advantage, embrace the technology. As I said, digitization is here. COVID has allowed us to provide varied business delivery options and channels to our members, and Central Online is just one of those avenues to allow that digitization and that platform to allow our members to do business, as I said, safe, in a convenient and hassle-free, every day, anywhere and anywhere you choose to do your business with us.
Okay, so members have been waiting for Central to be online. And now that Central is online, members they're overly excited and they're very happy and pleased with us. And more so, they are pleased with what they can do with the online platform. Because we know that being online is one thing, but being online and being capable is another. How has Central improved member service over the years?
We continue to review our business model. The financial landscape is changing. We know the regulatory framework is changing, and there are a lot of legislations and regulatory requirements that we need to meet. So obviously we will find that some of our business activities, especially operations, we will have to change to suit and to be compliant with some of those regulatory requirements. Case in, for example, we do have our anti-money laundering requirements that we need to follow. So obviously there's a need for you to regularly update your accounts. So that's why we normally ask and we always request our members to come in to update their accounts. So we are also reviewing our business processes to ensure that our members' accounts are updated. Please, our members, we're not asking or we're not being intrusive in your personal affairs, but it's a requirement of our AML CFT policies, our KYC policies. So there's a need for us to update your accounts. There's also the FATCA requirement and all these different legislation, common reporting standards requirement that we need to be compliant with. So a person says, well, the credit union now is becoming like a bank. No, we're not becoming like a bank. We're just, the regulatory landscape has changed and there are requirements now that we need to follow, and also that we're asking our members to comply with those changes. And please, we're not asking too much of your information, we're just trying to be compliant. So please, we work with you. You ask any questions that you want of us, our member representatives, and they'll be willing to provide that information to you. So as I said, we continue to review our operations. We're finding innovative ways to offer better service delivery to our members. We are looking at ways to improve our member service and also to optimize our operational efficiency. Can we do things better? Can we, instead of a process taking 2 hours, can it be done in 1 hour? Instead of taking 2 days for a loan application, can it take 1 week? So we're just looking at different ways. We are continually reviewing our application process, our loan process, our operations process, and also improving on our compliance program, which is critical at this point. So we're doing a lot of improvements in these key areas of our operations. And also, as I said, we want to ensure that doing business with us is easy, is quick, is convenient and hassle-free. And as we go along, we're trying our ways, we're looking at very many ways to improve our member service. We also solicit recommendations from members. So if you do have, I have been getting recommendations from members who have provided us with some, areas where they seem that they will have loved Central to improve on, which are working on. Again, it's a continuous improvement. And I want to thank those members for their recommendations. And we also continue to look at ways how we can provide more service to our members in terms of our product and our service offerings. So, Lauren, we are doing a lot. We have come a long way. There are many other opportunities and other services that are available or there that we can provide. And we are taking them, what we say, one day at a time. So members, if you have any, suggestions for improvement, we welcome those, and we're looking for every opportunity to better serve you, because we exist for you, our members, and if you're not satisfied, then we can't be satisfied. Basically, it's your institution. You have a say in how your institution is run, And we don't have every other right. We have a right to listen to your recommendations and see how best we can provide that support to you in whatever form that we can, provided that it is within regulatory requirements and we are keeping with our mandate as a financial cooperative.
Okay, so we're wrapping up quickly. So what loans are Central offered at this time? What should the members look forward to at the end of the year?
Oh, at the end of the year is Christmas. I know COVID is difficult. We do, particularly at this time, we know COVID is unprecedented. It has, it has brought a lot of hardship on our members. And I want to say your credit union is here for you. And we say, please come talk to us, especially those with loans. Come talk to our loans officers and see how we can help you. We can refinance, we can restructure your loans. So we do have a lot of loan products that we cater to the peculiar needs of our members. Especially at this time, we say October is Make It Merry month, Christmas month. So we're looking at our Make It Merry Christmas loan at this time. I know last year we were inundated with so many applications, and this year is not going to be any different. And we do expect our members to come to us for that loan. It's the Make It Merry Christmas loan. We say up to Christmas in October, November, and December. And we're calling all our members to take advantage of a Make It Merry loan. It covers anything for Christmas. We know COVID. Let's bring some cheer. I mean, COVID is emotionally straining our members. I know it's hard financially. Some of us want to be comfortable at this time. And this loan product is very suitable at this time. You can borrow up to $10,000. As I said, it covers anything for Christmas. If you want to paint your house, if you want to buy ham and turkey, if you want to buy pork, I love goat meat. So if you want to buy goat meat, gifts for the kids. The kids need to be happy and, tell a friend, hi, hello. So anything, the loan is available to pay up to $10,000. So it's your choice. Make yourself happy. You have worked hard. COVID is difficult, but make yourself happy at this time. It's a low monthly payment. The repayment period for that is only 5 years or 60 months. We say it's a very low interest rate per month. It's just less than $250 monthly installment if you borrow in full. So it's not burdensome on your pockets. And the less you borrow, the lower your installment. And the promotion runs from October 26th to December 17th, 2021 this year. And importantly, one lucky winner will win 500 Laja Shesh cash for Christmas. So you're not only taking a loan, but we're also giving back as well for that event. And the draw for that Make It Merry loan will be held on December 22nd, 2021. And this is important, no payment on that loan till January 2022. So what do you have to lose? What do you have to lose at this point? The Make It Merry Christmas loan is what's high on our agenda, and a lot of persons are already calling about that loan, inquiring as to, Ms. Watt, when is that loan coming up? Because it really helped me last year, and I'm seeing that a lot of persons are excited about this loan, and I expect that our members will take full advantage of this Make It Merry loan this year. And what is needed for that loan? A recent letter of employment or income or financial statement. You need your 2 most recent salary statements. And you need a security deposit, which is part of our loan policy, and that's only 5% minimum. And we also ask for credit reports, we're granted as a character loan. So we say, make your Christmas wish come true this season with a Make It Merry Christmas loan. And we at Central will look for our members. We are looking out for you, each and every one of you, to come and take advantage of this Make It Merry loan, Christmas loan. You did not disappoint us last year, and we're certainly not going to disappoint you this year. So please take advantage of what's available. We do have other loans, rush money or mortgages and all those different loans. So please come talk to us and we can see how best we can make your social and economic well-being comfortable at this point, especially in this COVID-19 period.
Okay, Ms. Watts, it's been a very interesting program, and we're just going to wrap it up. What are your final remarks? What do you want to leave with the members? What do you want them to leave with today, most importantly?
Yes. Thank you, Lorraine. I'm happy to be here. There's so much happening at Central at this time, and there's so much we can speak about today, but time limits us to key aspects of it. But I want to thank all our valued members for making Central their financial institution of choice. Without you, our members, without your contribution, without your trust, entrusting us with your savings, with your account balances, without you, we can't exist. We can't exist without you. It's your institution. You have a say in how your institution is run. So again, I want to thank you for your contribution again to Central and making Central your financial institution of choice. I want to thank the management and staff for their unwavering commitment, dedication, to our mantra, to our goals, to our vision of Central, what Central exists, why are we in business. And I want to thank the board of directors in particular, and all the volunteers who collaboratively, all of us work together to ensure that we provide our members with the service that they need. We're not perfect. We're not a perfect institution. We're trying our best to serve you as best as we can, given the circumstances. And we know that our members are happy with the service that they're receiving. And we urge our members to continue to sign up for our Central online service, sign up to be members of Central, or potential members. I know you are out there listening to us. Please sign up. Central is waiting for you, and Central has a lot to offer you. You can speak to our members who are currently happy with our service, and I know that there are bigger and bigger things down the pipeline. So look out for Central, and I'm telling you, there are big things happening, etc. So thank you, Lorraine. We ask our members to join us in our Credit Union Week of activities for this week. There's a lot happening this week, so every day we sign up, follow our Facebook page, and day by day, you'll get a glimpse of some of the key activities happening for Credit Union Week. Credit unions are here. We are here to stay. We have a legacy, Dominica almost over 65 years legacy, and I don't think we are going anywhere soon. So look out for us, and the credit union movement is here to stay, and we are making a significant contribution to the financial landscape of Dominica. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Watts. Thank you for chatting with us. Thank you, members, for listening. Thank you for following our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. Continue to follow us this week as we update you with more fun things, forward to more interactive sessions. We are very happy to inform you. So thank you, Ms. Watts. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Reed. Yeah, thank you, Mrs. Reed, for having us there. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And shout out to my management and staff once again. And thank you to our members once again, Mrs. Reed. Thank you. Thank you for having me here.
Yes, you're most welcome.
Need money in a rush, get money in a rush.
Need money in a rush? Get money in a rush. Your rush money solution is at Central Co-operative Credit Union Limited. Borrow between $1,000 and $10,000. No interview, no credit checks, no security needed. Quick and easy cash just for you. Visit the Central Credit Union's Goodwill or Portsmouth branch today to sign up in a rush. Terms and conditions apply.
Need money in a rush, get money in a rush. Rush down to Central.
Central is online.
Central is online.
What? Central is online?
Granny, Central is online.
Central is online.
Central Online, your digital member experience. Stay on top of your finances with Central Online today. View your account balances, pay your bills, apply for loans, do money transfer with Central Online today.
Central is online.
Central is online. That's great.
Central is online.
Central Co-operative Credit Union Limited is online. Welcome to Central Online, your digital member experience. Go to online.myccccul.com. To log in, enter login ID and password. Click I am not a robot and log in. To transfer funds within your accounts, click Transfer Fund. To transfer to another member, click Member to Member Transfer. To pay a bill, click Bill Payment. To apply for loans, click Loan Application. Need more information? Click the FAQs link or call 235-2228 or 235-5208 or email us online at myccccul.com.
A financial entity that can make your dream a reality. Central CCCUL. Central CCCUL. If it's first time you're building, come and check the rates that we offering. Central CCCUL. All at Central CCCUL. If you're looking for rush money, new ATM technology gets your children right back to school. Central CCCUL. Come to Central.